In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Smartsheet. If you're working with timelines, due dates, or schedules, the way dates look on your sheet can make a big difference. Maybe you prefer a compact numerical style, or maybe you want the full day and month spelled out for clarity. I already have a sheet with dates entered, and I'll walk you through how to customize the display to match your preference so your sheet is easier to read at a glance. To begin, highlight all the dates you want to change. The quickest way to apply one consistent format is to select the entire column. You can do this by clicking the column header so every date in that column is included. This helps keep things clean and uniform, especially if you're sharing the sheet with teammates. Selecting everything up front also prevents mismatched formats across your rows. Now look toward the toolbar at the top and click the Date Format option. This opens a list of preset styles you can choose from, such as a short date, a long date, or other variations that show the day of the week. Pick the one that fits your workflow. For example, select the long date format and you'll see all the selected dates update instantly. This is just a visual change, so the underlying date values remain the same. Great for sorting, filtering, and formulas without breaking anything. If you only want to change a specific entry, you can do that too. Click a single cell with a date, open the same date format option in the toolbar, and pick the style you want, like a version that includes the day name along with the date. You'll see the update right away, which can be handy when you want a particular date to stand out or when you're testing what looks best before applying it broadly. As you can see, adjusting the date format is quick, and it immediately improves readability and organization. Pick a format that your team will recognize easily, especially if you're coordinating across projects or sharing reports. And if you try a style and change your mind, you can simply choose a different format at any time. Congratulations, that's how you can easily change date formats in Smartsheet. If this helped you tidy up your sheet and make your timelines clearer, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.